what's up? Doing a little review on the replica 4s that I got on 360 Kicks RU, and I was really pleased of these shoes. Put in the light, they are amazing. I did the lacing, air bubble black, pop out stars, right there. Really nice. The tongue is on tack. Look at that round tongue. Nice back, pretty good and fat. We're gonna zoom focus right there. The sole's pretty nice. There's the inside. The inside has the Jumpman, but I don't know, you can't see it. But these shoes are really nice. Really nice mesh right here. Look at that. Damn. It's nice stars. $60 for these. These are a great deal, man. And they're perfect. They're super clean. New Air Jordan 4s. $60.98. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Go check them out. They sell G shoes. They're really nice. The wing is good too. All right, so thanks. Go check them out. Peace. Subscribe for more. And yeah, peace out.